What's up, guys? Today we're back with another drawing video. This time we're gonna draw Pikachu from Pokemon. You're going to need a Sharpie, or you could use a pencil, and let's get started. So first, we're gonna draw Pikachu's eye by doing one circle. Like that. Same thing for the other side. And now we're going to draw a circle like this. And then the same thing over here. And then just shade that in. And now we're going to draw the nose. It's just one small triangle. Like this. And now let's draw the mouth. It's just one smile like this. And then another smile like this. Now let's draw the head. So the head will be kind of like an hexagon looking. So in this particular picture, this part of the chin is turning a little more. In Pikachu, he is actually turning more this side than this side. And if you've seen Pokemon, you'll know how he turns, and his chin will be a little different. Anyways, let's draw the cheeks. One here, and there's one here, but a little like this. And now let's draw the ears. And so here is the other ear, and then we do the same thing, but except it's kind of like this because he's happy and all that. I'm sorry about that. Okay, and now let's draw a line like this, and then a line like this. And obviously we can just shade that black. So here's the thing, Pichu, if you notice, I'm kind of like drawing Pikachu like Pichu, since the head and shape are not the same, but it's just that I'm trying to kind of combine those, but whatever. Color that in black. And now let's draw the body. And then the rest here. Okay, so in here, Pikachu's actually kind of like looking somewhere, and his body is supposed to be like this. I know you might think it's weird, but that's just how it is. Fingers like this, and then he'll come back up. But there's also a wrinkle. This is a wrinkle. Same thing for this one. Fingers, and then you come back here. And now let's draw the tail. It's the last part. One line here, up, and then across, and then down, left, down, left, down, left. And we can just draw a line here. And that's Hydra Pikachu, but I'm also going to show you how to color. But just in case you guys don't know, you can follow. Let me get the colors. So I got the colors I need. You're going to need a red color pencil and a yellow color pencil. Okay, so let's start with the red. It's for the cheeks, obviously. Now we're going to use yellow. First, let's color everything in yellow, but we have to start with the body first. Oh, and also I forgot, guys, you're also going to need brown because and we'll color this part. Yes, let's continue with our yellow. Okay, now that you're done with this, you're also going to need a mustard dark yellow. It should be like this. It's for the shadings. So let's come to the feet and draw a line and then curve like here and a line here, and then we colored that part in. So it's like he's like standing or sitting, and then there's that shadow underneath. Okay. Anyways, come back. This is the chin shading. Okay, now that we're done with the shadings, sorry about that. Now the last part is the other part of the tail. You need the dark brown as I mentioned before. And yeah, there you go, guys. There's how you draw Pikachu. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. And if you want to see more drawing videos, check out my channel. It's called Sushi Fun Vlogs. And hey, I posted Lego videos too, and I know you might like it. Anyways, have a great day, guys. Bye.